If this is your power, if this is your glory, if this is your presence, then let it rain. If this is your power, if this is your glory, if this is your presence, then let it rain. If this is your power, if this is your power, come on, rise up and sing. If this is your glory, if this is your presence, if this is your presence, then let it rain. If this is your power, this is your power. Come on, tell him. Place a demand on this. If this is your presence, if this is your presence, then let it rain. If this is your power, Lord, if this is your power, hey, if this is your glory, this is your glory. If this is your presence, Lord, this is your presence, then let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain.
Burp. That's my boy. Thanks, my daddy. You want to be in the video today, huh? There you are. Your sister is sleeping. Keep burping. Good boy.
Come on, lift up your hands and say,
My boy. Honey, say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Wow. Say hello. Oh, you're so heavy. You're so heavy, honey. Hello. You're doing a video today, huh? Hello. Hello. Say hello, honey. Hello. Your mouth wide open. You want to be in a video today, huh? Say hello to Instagram. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello. Hello. Your sister is still sleeping. You want to be awake? Alright, honey. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Daniel, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
this is your power, if this is your glory, this is your presence, let it rain. Let it rain over me. Let it
So
rain
sleepy. Daniel woke you up?
over me.
Daniel woke you up, Mama?
I need your rain.
Daniel woke you up? Go back to sleep.
All over me.
Daniel, you woke me up. Sorry, Mama. Sorry he woke you up, okay? It's my Feeny.
Touch
Uh-oh, you dropped it. So this is the look that I was going for today. And my kids woke up, so yeah, I couldn't really say anything or do any tutorials today, but my baby just woke up, or her brother wouldn't wake her up because he wanted to play with her. So yeah, she is here, not happy, so sleepy, and doesn't want to look in the camera. So and here's his brother playing. Anyway, So hi, I just want to come here and say a quick hello and show you this look. A different lipstick today in a different unit. And the color for this unit is 1B. And it's not two-tone like the rest of them, but yeah. So, hopefully this video is not so bright. But yes, my little princess is sleepy. So. And this color, this lipstick color actually, I think I mixed a pink and a dark, almost like deep dark purple e.l.f. palette I got from the drugstore. I think it was about $4. It was a six colors in a six colors in a palette. But anyway, it was so cute. I just mixed both together. So yeah, and Princess is still sleepy. And she doesn't want to do anything or even look at the camera. So I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please comment, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Say bye-bye, honey. Say bye-bye, princess. Nah, she's not in the mood. And that's that's her twin making all that noise in the background. So sorry. All right, bye. Mwah.